Hi guys, welcome to NetOK. In this video we are going to talk about collision domain and broadcast domain. First we will mark and count both domains in this network diagram, and later we will mark and count domains in a VLAN diagram. First of all, let's learn what collision and broadcast domains are. Both are identified network subparts in the network, and the values are just numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. A collision domain is a part of a network where packet collisions can occur. In other words, you know that data packets are traveling through network links. A collision domain represents a part of a network where such collisions happen all together. As an example, consider these three computers connected to this hub. Hub is a dumb device which is not processing data packets. So around the hub, packet collision can happen in anywhere. So it's a collision domain. Let's mark it in black color. When a packet travels through a switch, it gets processed by the switch. Actually not the packet but in frame level, since switch is a second layer device. Because of that, we consider through a switch and a router, packet collisions are not occurring. So we can mark the other links as separate collision domains. So with that knowledge, we can mark the links through the router also. Now let's count how many collision domains are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 collision domains in this network. Let's move to broadcast domain. A broadcast domain is a part of a network where broadcast is forwarded. You know, when we want to send some data to all the devices connected, we send it as a broadcast message. Broadcast messages are going through switches and hubs until they meet a device like a router. So we consider this whole part as a broadcast domain. And also the other 3 link connections as separate broadcast domains. So this network has 4 broadcast domains. Before moving to VLANs, let's get this diagram without VLANs. Now we know packet collision can happen through these 4 links. So there are 4 collision domains here. And since no router-like device involved, we can say this whole network is one broadcast domain. Now consider this network has 2 VLANs. These 2 computers belong to VLAN 1 and these 2 in VLAN 2. In this, collision domains are same as previous, which is 4. But if a broadcast message comes from a router, since there is 2 VLANs, it broadcasted to 2 separate network parts. So there are 2 collision domains here. So I hope it helped guys. See you from another tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.